It was just reported that there's a thunderstorm warning in effect until 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern time tonight in central West Hillsborough County. It was reported out of the Weather Center in Ruskin, Florida, which is seriously like not even 5 miles in that direction. Oh my goodness. How could such a beautiful day turn into this? Not like this, not like this. This is the definition of terrible weather. Could have started with sprinkling or a light drizzle, and then this occurs. Oh, it's gonna come down, it's gonna come down hard. These aren't just rain clouds. There are protons and electrons up in the higher atmosphere right now, and they're going to come down as thunder and lightning. Kaboom, you know? Now, I don't mean to get all scientific and whatnot, because I don't even understand how the fuck weather works. But this is some crazy shit that's about to go down. This is natural phenomenon. Ladies and gentlemen, Mother Nature at its greatest. It shows you the power that it has. Goodness gracious, this rain is coming down. Woo! Lord have mercy. The shit is hit the fan, people. Armageddon. It looks like the end of the world out here. Civilization as we know it could be coming to a crumbling end. Oh my goodness. Raindrops are falling on my head. Woo! Let it come, baby. They can't take it from us. Ah!